when racers go to Mexico.
What up, YouTube? You know what it is. You know who it is. When I get 400 horses, I'ma do this. I'ma do that. I'ma do this. When I do this, look at all this heat up here. You got. All right. If you didn't know, now you know. One, two, three. I'm gonna go. Give me your beat. Camaro gang, thank y'all for tuning in. If you didn't know, now you know. So look, what up YouTube? Y'all know what it is, you know who it is. It's the Ginger 31 to be exact. If you didn't know, now you know. But anyway, let's get off into this video. Today's episode of the Gingers videos and shenanigans and stuff. We was out there in Mexico doing what we do. Me, D Nasty, couple of more homies. We out there. Boom. So check this out. Got into it, you know, got me a run in with another Hellcat, but this time the outcome was a little bit different. You know, I took an L to that. Basically said that it was a stock Hellcat, you know, that's what he said, but I done raced a few Hellcats now to know what's stock and what's not. So, boom, it wasn't, it is what it is, and that's a part of the racing game, you know. You're not going to tell what the left hand with the right hand doing and what the right hand with the left hand doing, so boom, that's all good. And then after that, we also got some runs in with 5.0, and it was also FBO, he say. But he walked up to little bro, he was like, shoot, you know what I'm saying, what's all done to the car? Lil bro told him what's done, and he was like, shoot, you want to run a FBO 5.0, 10 speeds? Like, shit, we looked at each other, he like, shit, yeah, he's like, let's get it. So I'm thinking, like, should I ride with him or not? Next thing you know, I'm like, forget it, I ain't gonna ride. I'm gonna hop in this mug, get some content for y'all, you dig? So boom, I ain't gonna tell too much, I ain't gonna talk too much. Let's get off into that. got back from Mexico. We back up at the, you know, the racing headquarters and stuff like that, you know, just looking over the film. And what happened, Hellcat dude walks up behind me like, hey man, you got the film of that, man? That's a nice camera. Yeah, I got the film and all that, but since your ass couldn't give me no 40 roll, fuck you. You're not getting this goddamn tape. You better watch it. You better tune into the Ginger 31. You dig? But anyway, I take L's, I take dubs, I take whatever. It's all fun and games. Ain't no money involved. We just out there doing what we do. Now, since he couldn't give me a 40 roll because he knew what would happen on the 40 roll, I had to go ahead and just do a 60 roll, right? Now, I know what it was. I know what it do. But hey, I just want to run. I want content. So that's what I did. Anyway, thank y'all for tuning in to the channel. It's the Ginger and I'm out.